Running late to pick up Sedona, but I am going to show you all of our clubs came in, so I'm going to load them into the truck. It was actually perfect timing, so now we get to use them out on the course. Hi, sweet girl. I know I'm going to miss you so much. I know, I'll be back soon. Oh. So yeah, I'm going to load these up and then go pick up Sedona, and we got to hit the road. You can check it out. What do you think? Do you think you can fit in there? I probably should not have the boxes on the antifreeze. Let me fix that. Little road trip essentials. Always have coolant. Always have a electric tire pump. They're amazing. They're like less than $100 on Amazon. Also, always have water with you. Have extra water. Check your tire pressure before you leave. Those are the biggest things. And then snacks are also really important. All right, made it to Sedona's. Now I just have to take everything out so I can make room and we can like play Tetris here, organizing everything. Free snacks! We're loaded up.
What'd you get?
Beef jerky.
Beef jerky.
We're trying to be healthy, right?
Protein goes.
They realize there's a sale. I feel like it's maybe somewhat healthy. I don't know. Support a small business.
Gas station haul. Yeah.
The views are so pretty.
It's stunning.
We're getting close, like less than 2 hours.
Need my 4 drinks.
We got 4 drinks.
Should we do a drink haul? This.
How was it, by the way? What would
I
you
haven't
rate
tried
that?
it yet,
Oh, okay.
but I will soon. We got my
review it.
coffee, BBL. Got the smoothie, loved her. Protein powder, of course. And then hibiscus tea.
Quick update. We took a scenic route the wrong way, so we're going to be doing a quick U-turn back. Thankfully, we pushed back our tea time, so
I'll show them the view. Gorgeous dog.
So we're really glad we took this route.
Worth getting lost.
Definitely worth it, and probably the longest commute I've ever done to try to make it to tea time, by the way. I think, yeah, it's in 6 hours at least.
Oh my gosh.
We got this, though. Totally worth it. We're coming for you, Goat Hill. Right? I don't know. How should we start this?
And action.
We just rolled up to Goat Hill. Been in the car for 6 hours?
Like
longer. It's
way
been
longer
like
than that.
24 hours, it feels like.
Quite the detour, got lost twice.
But in a good way.
We made it.
It was a good drive.
It was.
I'll say, it was fun. We didn't even get a chance to open our new clubs from Callaway. They came in at perfect timing, so we literally loaded them into the truck and rolled up to Goat Hill, so now we can hit them on the range, figure out the yardages out here.
So excited. Apparently they're gold. This was a surprise to me and you.
Yeah, the brushed copper finish. It was like a special edition that Callaway did. Callaway is known for their finishes. Like they just released the Midnight Driver, so the elite version of the Driver. They have the Sandstorm too. They're just really good about customizing so you get the look that you want. I'll put the selection of the new names on the screen. They do a great job of different finishes, and we got, from what I hear, the last 2 brushed copper iron set. They're the AI200s. Shout out to our boy Alex.
Oh.
And
Yeah, beep, beep, beep.
Oh. Okay, I'm diving in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're your wedges. All right, these things are so. So we got fit at Golf Tech for these, so there are specs to length, and then we got to choose obviously the grip, and the shafts are also built for us. The head's gonna be the same. We both got fit for the AI200s. They're so nice.
I've never had an A-wedge before. Look at that bad boy. Oh my gosh, it's perfect.
So beautiful. Okay, here's like the number at the top. You can see the detail. It looks like it is brushed copper, true to style and name. I love we both ended up with black shafts too. Like the ability to customize your clubs now, even down to the shaft. Like back in the day, you only had like steel shafts. That was like the only option.
True.
Now we got all of these graphite options, different colors, different styles.
They're so sick. I am in love. I don't even want to hit them because I'm like,
I know, they do look too pretty to hit, to be honest. Can you do like a wide angle of like both of us and this in the background? Anyways, back to it. Back to it then.
And we're back. And action.
Do you watch those skits by
Do it, lady. You know?
Do It Lady? It's so good. You're gonna be obsessed once you see it. My 9 iron. Do It, Lady.
Ooh, pea. I've also never had a pea.
Pitching wedge.
Is that an intentional thing that it's like PGA?
No,
PGA?
but it,
Like
so
golf?
No, but it could be. So there's a gap wedge, there's sometimes the approach wedge. There's different names that they use for them. Just shoving them in anywhere they'll fit right now because I have no space. And I definitely want to compare my old irons to these irons on the range.
I'm like protective. Like I'm like, if anyone touches these, they're gonna get hit.
Oh,
you know?
Noted. I won't be touching them.
Don't touch my gloves.
I like accidentally grab your bag and you're like,
Bonk, bonk, bonk.
if I show up with a black eye tomorrow when we film here, you'll know what happened. I dove into the wedges now.
I'm so surprised by the look of these. I was not expecting this. I thought they were gonna be like bright gold or like, I don't know why, but this has exceeded my expectations.
I agree. Callaway, you've outdone yourself. Okay, I'm gonna show you the wedge up close. Ooh, so clean. These are gorgeous. The Elite Max Fast. The ASMR of opening golf. Oh no. Photo shoot. Here's the 3-wood. I'm gonna show you close up. Look how beautiful. 4 hybrid.
This is a different shaft than the other ones.
Thank you, Callaway. These clubs are amazing. We're so excited to rep them. We're gonna make you proud with them. And thank you, Grass League. It's gonna be fun. And Golf Tech is posting a series of videos when we were up there and filming. So my fitting is up there. They're editing, and soon they'll be launching Sedona's fitting for her whole bag. Just give her a minute. All right, first swings after a 7-hour drive.
Gotta get the
So excited,
girls
yeah.
off.
I actually should stretch.
Oh yeah, I can't do anything without stretching.
Can I borrow your rangefinder?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
That's on the outside.
Oh, it's not in there. Oh no, did you leave it somewhere?
Yeah.
Shoot. Where'd you play last?
Here.
Oh yeah, that's good timing. They might have it. Yeah, let's go find out.
Oh my God.
Hey, Sedona was just here like, last week? And left her rangefinder. They have it? Oh my gosh.
Dude, that's
what good
crazy.
timing. Striping these. All right, 8 iron is spot on, extra 10 yards. All right, on to the 7 iron.
Bullseye,
All right,
bullseye,
all right. Get it, girl.
Do it, lady. Yeah.
Do it, lady.
Get it, lady. Oh, right line though.
Damn.
Much better. All right, look at this beauty one more time. We're really enjoying them. Beautiful Elite Max Fast driver. Fast.
Boom. I absolutely love 50.
We're happy? We're happy with it? I feel like this will be a good closing scene.
So perfect.
Closing scene to our unboxing video because it's getting dark out. Cut. This is a perfect song to end on.
This song is literally how I feel right now.
We have all the feels. It's so good. We're like
Look at this contact.
pure, absolutely pure over here.
Thank you for everything.
Love you all.